Hello and welcome. Let's go over the Bitcoin price to start the 4-minute morning for today, Saturday, the 10th day of August 2018. Like always, everything is within your own risk, own reward. After 3 straight red days down, which made it to the neckline of a double top formation, that's when the market goes up, comes back down somewhere, goes back close to the previous point, and then breaks that somewhere point, which of course happens to be at key Fibonacci level. Well, now we are seeing a little bit of possible resistance. This is, again, another easy setup that is stating either we're now at the resistance area point, which is anywhere now up to the declining 18 average of highs, that will then roll over, break down below this low, and probably even pierce below the 7,900 change level. That's the bearish scenario, because oftentimes when key levels encounter support and no longer are such, they become that of resistance. Is that being the case? Well, I don't know, but I do realize that I can shorten the time frame up, and I'm going to go to the 4-hour. And what I see in here, there's the support that started from February 22nd through the 26th and had a good run. And then coming back down after the first week of March the 7th, consolidating not that much higher and above it for part of a day, and then breaking down below, having a decent leg lower. That's the key thing. Decent leg lower, but it didn't go as low as it should have, based on the Fibonacci line shown well below 84, actually 400 basis points lower. And the move has had, of course, up to this 18, which flirted with it on this first big period. It hasn't had much of the sell-offs ever since. That's going to be the key here, because now that you've had a little bit of time correction at an area that you would expect to encounter a level of resistance, if the market can get above, climb above this, that would be a very bullish scenario, which you'd be looking for the next stage of a failed breakout fast move higher. You want to see this hold and stay above this 9,500 level. Make a move at least probably to 9,750 as a level of resistance. If it can stay up here for a little bit, then I would consider there's a good chance that the market would have a decent run to the upside, thus failed move, fast move higher. When we take a look now at the move from this low to this high, I'm going to use a shorter term time frame and use the half-hour. And there we can see the run up of higher highs, higher lows. 18 average now is starting to flatten out. So if it's going to retrace, I'm going to first look at a 38.2% down move, which will come in just above this previous high at around the 9,000 barrier. And the big one, the 61.8%, is in at around the 8,800 mark. As I was stating, if you see this succeeding, holding and staying above 9,500, that's a very bullish situation, and it wouldn't surprise me thereafter for good gains. But the same is true here with 88. If it can hold and stay below it for more than 3 or 4 hours, even 2 hours, then that would be a very, very cautious sign that the market is not only most likely going to test the 8,300 and change level, but break below and then test further, which would be a pierce most likely below 7,900, 76 to 75. I would expect, if of course that's the case. So there's how the failed move fast move would work, and how resistance at this key 9,500 point plays in. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.